Hello and welcome back to the Heavy Machinery channel. Dive into woodworking magic with our latest video. Watch as wood carving machines, CNC routers, and lathes turn raw timber into stunning creations. Experience the perfect blend of precision and artistry as these tools craft intricate patterns and elegant shapes. A wood engraving machine uses precision tools to etch detailed designs into wood surfaces. By employing various cutting techniques and adjustable settings, it allows for intricate and consistent patterns. Ideal for artistic creations, custom signage, and decorative pieces, this machine automates the engraving process, offering efficiency and high-quality results. It combines artistry with technology, transforming wood into detailed, customized designs with ease. The TORMAT Basic .1000 CNC Wood Lathe is a precision tool designed for woodturning with advanced automation. It offers efficient, accurate control over complex designs, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. Its user-friendly interface and robust build ensure reliable performance and high-quality results in woodcraft projects. The Bulgarian taper is a specialized homemade copying tool, designed for use on wood lathes. This ingenious device allows woodworkers to replicate intricate shapes and tapers with precision. By attaching the Bulgarian taper to a lathe, craftsmen can trace a template or pattern, ensuring consistent results across multiple pieces. Its adjustable design accommodates various diameters and taper angles, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. This tool is particularly valued for its ability to streamline the creation of complex wooden items, enhancing both accuracy and efficiency in the crafting process. A homemade log planing machine is essential for preparing logs in cabin construction. It efficiently handles logs with a top diameter of 30 to 35 centimeters and lengths up to 740 centimeters. Typically, it takes about 15 minutes to plane a single log, though some may need 2 passes for a smooth finish. This machine ensures precision and consistency, streamlining the process of crafting sturdy, well-finished logs for log cabin building. Plywood machinery, specifically the veneer rotary line, is crucial for producing high-quality plywood. It includes essential components such as the log debarker, which removes the bark from logs, and the log feeder that transfers the logs to the peeling lathe. The veneer peeling lathe slices the logs into thin veneers, which are then collected and organized by the veneer stacker. This efficient process ensures the smooth production of plywood with consistent thickness and quality. In this unfiltered video, watch one person efficiently saw an entire log using the Frontier OS-27 portable sawmill. Despite the lack of PPE and polished editing, the footage, captured with a GoPro and smartphone, offers a raw and genuine look at the process. We've sped up sections to showcase the sawmill's capabilities in a more digestible format. Although it's straightforward and unembellished, the video provides an authentic glimpse into the practical use of the Frontier OS-27. The Cord King 28-way split packaging wedge is a high-performance tool designed for efficiency and durability. With a formidable 58-ton splitting force, it effortlessly divides logs into 28 segments. It also boasts a lifetime warranty against breakage of the complete splitter chamber, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind. The Sisonius Pellet Maker PM 3.0e is a true marvel of innovation and craftsmanship. This state-of-the-art machine is engineered to perfection, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. With its advanced features and robust performance, it transforms raw materials into high-quality pellets with remarkable efficiency. The PM 3.0e is not just a tool, it's a game-changer, elevating production standards and delivering consistent, reliable results every time. Its sleek, modern aesthetics and intuitive interface make it a pleasure to use, embodying both elegance and functionality. For those seeking unparalleled precision and excellence in pellet production, the Sisonius Pellet Maker PM 3.0e stands as a testament to engineering excellence and innovation. The combination of the Tree Spade Optimal 1700 with the Volvo L90 provides a powerful solution for efficient tree transplantation. The OPT IMAL 1700 allows for precise and gentle digging of trees, while the Volvo L90, with its versatile design and high load capacity, facilitates the relocation and positioning of the trees, maximizing productivity and minimizing damage to the trees.